This is the Galaxy S22 in white and this is the Galaxy S22 Plus in black. These are your default Android flagships for the year 2022. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Ania from Mr. Phone, and in this video, let's take our first look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus. But before we start, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. First and foremost, the differences between the two models. So the S22 Plus gets a bigger and slightly brighter screen over the Galaxy S22. Apart from that, you also get a larger 4500 mAh battery inside the Galaxy S22 Plus that can charge at up to 45 watts. Versus the 3700 mAh battery inside the Galaxy S22 that can charge at up to 25 watts. Besides this, these are absolutely similar smartphones and it basically boils down to whether you want a big phone or you want a compact phone. Either way, Samsung has got you covered. So in terms of design and build, the S22 Plus retains the metal in glass sandwich from the S21 Plus, but the main change comes on the Galaxy S22, which now gets a glass rear panel versus the polycarbonate back that was on the Galaxy S21. And believe me guys, these phones, especially the Galaxy S22, looks and feels every bit premium in the hand. Also, both the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus come in a smaller footprint than their predecessor, all while retaining almost the same screen sizes. So a 6.1-inch panel on the Galaxy S22 and a 6.6-inch panel on the Galaxy S22 Plus. These are dynamic AMOLED 2X displays, what Samsung likes to call 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, HDR10 support, up to 1350 nits on the S22 and up to 1700 nits on the S22 Plus. Of course, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on the front and back on these models as well, just like the S22 Ultra. So both the phones feature excellent panels to say the least. I mean, that's given for phones made by Samsung. The stereo speakers are also one of the loudest and richest that you can get on any phone out there. I would also point out that these are the slimmest and the most symmetrical bezels I've ever seen on any smartphone out there, so kudos to that. Apart from this, the curvy back from the Galaxy S21 is gone and you now get a flat rear panel, and personally I like the in-hand feel better this way. I mean, not that the curvy sides of the S22 Ultra are any bad, but the flat sides of the S22 feel superb in the hand. Now both the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus come in 128GB and 256GB storage options in India. RAM is standard at 8GB on both smartphones across variants, and of course, just like the S22 Ultra, these phones are also powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. In terms of software, there's One UI 4.1 atop Android 12 with a promise of 4 major Android updates down the road, and this is awesome. Honestly, I've only had the latest Galaxy S22 phones for about 10 days now, and in order to keep things equal for the review process, I have only been able to use each of them for about 3 to 4 days until the time of recording this video. So One UI 4.1 coupled with the 8 Gen 1 chipset gets the job done in an efficient manner. Of course, at this price, we can't expect any performance flaws from these high-end phones. And so yes, without any doubt, they perform brilliantly in day-to-day use. In my brief time, I haven't had any speed issues, no lags or stutters that I could come across. All the high-end titles, including the likes of Genshin Impact, BGMI, Call of Duty, etc., are handled with ease. Now in terms of battery life, of course, the S22 Plus with its bigger battery is able to last a full day more comfortably. As for the Galaxy S22, while I was able to last one day with light usage on that phone, I will admit that if you push it hard, you might need an extra charge there in a day. But this is not my conclusion when it comes to the battery life of the S22 and the S22 Plus. I mean, I have to test them rigorously and only then I'll be able to tell what kind of endurance you can expect from both these smartphones. But so far, so good. Finally, you get a 50 megapixel main camera at the rear with OIS on both smartphones. This lens is coupled with a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with OIS and a 3x optical zoom. There's also a 10 megapixel camera at the front for selfies. Now here's a look at a few camera samples that I've taken from the Galaxy S22 phones. Let me know what you guys think of them. Also, I would like to point out that the camera performance is the same on both smartphones, but that's a given considering both are same phones in different sized bodies, of course. So that was your first look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus. Share all your thoughts with me in the comments below, and of course, if you want to know more in depth about the camera performance, battery life, daily usage and more, definitely stay tuned for my full review dropping soon. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll catch you all in the very next one. Thank you for watching.